Welcome to Peppy Pillars. Bubbly brains, lively leaps.
Hey kids! Let's learn numbers together. Count, spell, and repeat with me. Let's start learning 1, 2, 3. 1. Say with me. 1. Again. 1. Now spell it. O-N-E. 1. 1 apple. 2. Say with me. 2. Again. 2. Now spell it. T-W-O. 2. 1, 2. 2 balls. 3. Say with me. 3. Again. 3. Now spell it. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 cats. 4. Say with me. 4. Again. 4. Now spell it. F-O-U-R. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cars. 5. Say with me. 5. 5. Now spell it. F-I-V-E. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars. 6. Say with me. 6. Again. 6. Now spell it. S-I-X. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bananas. 7. Say with me. 7. Again. 7. Now spell it. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers. 8. Say with me. 8. Again. 8. Now spell it. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balloons. 9. Say with me. 9. Again. 9. Now spell it. N-I-N-E. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fishes. 10. Say with me. 10. Again. 10. Now spell it. T-E-N. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. 10 pencils. Let's repeat 1 to 10 with their spelling. O-N-E. 1. T-W-O. 2. T-H-R-E-E. 3. F-O-U-R. 4. F-I-V-E. 5. S-I-X. 6. S-E-V-E-N. 7. E-I-G-H-T. 8. N-I-N-E. 9. T-E-N. 10. Great job! Wow! You learned numbers 1 to 10 with their spellings. Keep practicing every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.